Hello everyone, I'm Jyoti here. Today I want to discuss with you class 8, chapter number 10, network. So students, here those topics I want to share with you, topics covered by in your book. Here is page number 136 in your book, chapter number 10. The topics were covered by communication, computer network, types of network, communication channel, or transmission media. Various terms related to internet and a definition of protocol. So first of all, we are discuss about the network. Network is essential whenever there is the main thing is communication. So first of all, we are discuss about the communication. That is the first topic in your book. So communication is most important. So the other person, what you are talking with other person and how they can understand with your language, with you, what you are saying and what he or she is asking with you. So communication is very much important part which two people share their knowledge, information and ideas. Clear students? Same like that, there is computer communication. So next thing is communication related to computer. So what is the main thing for related to computer communication? This is according to you, you are talking to each other by using for your communication method. Same like that, computer also talk with you, but according to computer communication method. So that is, computer communication is described as a process in which one computer transfer the data, instructions and information to another computer. That is the depth of computer to communication, the data, information and the devices also. Clear students? So here involves cables, wires and other wirelessly devices also, hardware, software equipments also. So these are the main concept and the main content which you are talking with your computer communications. Clear students? So this is the computer communication. So next is computer network. But firstly, previous topic is computer communication. There is the main point. Here is your book 136 page number, sender, communication channel or transmission media, receiver and protocol. So these are the main things that we are discussed with each other by the people. He or she, what they are discuss with you, what they are communicate with you. Same like that, sender, communication channel, transmission media, receiver and protocol. These are the things that computer communication is talking to each other and hardware and software equipments also. So our next topic is computer network, page number 137. So what is a computer network? Computer network is a collection of computer and devices connected by communication channels. So here is computer network. You are able to see the picture from page number 37, and according to my presentation, a computer network can be small or two computers connected to each other, but that is according to different parts of your city. Clear? Or it may be as vast as covering the whole part of the world also. So next, need for network. Why it is needed? Network. Software sharing, there is 4 points: software sharing, data and information sharing and hardware sharing, and you also share your ideas also. That is also called the information related with the user. Okay, so software sharing, data and information sharing. First, a large company, for example, I want to give an example, might store a database of customer information on hard disk of the server. Any authorized person, include a mobile user, using a handheld computer, can connect to network and can access the database. So it is a very essential to a handheld mobile device that is using by the server or receiver. That is the data and information sharing to each other for the both person. So next, hardware sharing. What do you mean by hardware sharing? It is a suppose there are a number of computers on a network and each one needs to use the laser printer. Laser printer, that is also the output device. So student, whenever they share their hardware sharing data, then you want to be output result from the hard copy. So in these cases you are using the laser printer from your hard copy and whatever you want to output. So these are called, that purpose is also connected with the hardware, because printer is the hardware process, hardware part. So you should share the hardware sharing. Okay. Next thing is software sharing. How to share the software? This is by sharing a program. A company can avoid having to install a copy of the program on each person's computer separately. So there is gain to assess and work for these programs that the person use from avoiding to having an install of copy. So in these cases computer use separately and also called personal computers they can use. Next thing is types of network. Here is some types like LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN and CAN. So in your book page number 38 and 39, the types of network is shifted from both the pages. So you should also prepare the full forms. Means the full forms of LAN is a local area network, full form of WAN is wide area network, full form of MAN is metropolitan area network, full form of PAN is personal area network, and the full form of CAN is campus area network. So you should also write and mark your book from these full forms. First of all, on the types of network, I want to clear the LAN. LAN is local area network. You see the picture, and according to picture you understood that the local area network is a network that connect the computer and the devices in a limited area. For a limited geographical area such as a school, home, companies and buildings, offices also. So there should be a limitation of 100 to 300 meters away from each other. These computers, and you are far away from on this distance, 100 to 300 meter distance. So if you are at school where more than 20 computers are connected to each other, then you are on a LAN area, local area network. Our next part is WAN. WAN is wide area network. Wide means, that is understood, WAN is wide area network, that is spans over a large geographical area. Large geographical area such as entire the city, region, even an entire country or all over the world also. So next thing is MAN, metropolitan area. So here is office building, metropolitan area, you can use residential area also, university campus and government buildings. So in these places you should smaller geographical area than a WAN, because WAN is the wide area network, and MAN is a metropolitan area, but it is a less from the WAN. Next, PAN. PAN is called the personal area network. Personal means you all are using your mobile phone, your smartphone, your laptop, your personal printers also. So these are some personal equipments that you are using your own self and you don't share to another person. So that is called a personal area network. Personal maybe connect a device through a router using network cables or Bluetooth and Wi-Fi also. Clear? Next is CAN. CAN means campus area network, And this type of campus area network, you should use your computer network from building side, library, and college, hospitals, hostels. So this is it is also known as corporate area network. CAN means campus area network, and it is also called corporate area network. So this is the another full form for CAN. Next is communication channels or transmission media. Here you should write some points in your copies also, because it is important for topic covered by according to your chapter. So this is the main thing, communication channels or transmission media. So first point is twist pair cable, second is coaxial cable, and the third one is fiber optic cable. First of all, we are discuss about the twist pair cable. Twist pair cable, that is a wire, but it is not a thick wire. It is a limited wire for bundle together. It is wire, but according to bundle it is attached. So many small wires attached within this wire. So twist pair cable consists of one or more twist pair wire bundles together. On this line, on this way, landline phone network and LAN often use twist pair cable, and we all use from the previously, that is a landline phone. On here you can see the one cable is connected to your phone, that is very much thick. So this type of cable is consisted and insisted in the twist pair cable, because there is so many small wire is there. Next is coaxial cable. On this cable, here is copper wire. Here is copper wire surrounded by at least 3 layers. First one is insulating material, and second is wire mesh, and third is a plastic outer coating. Clear? On coaxial cable that travels through a copper wire cable is used for TV networks. That is transmission media, or also television. You can use your television cable. So that is also called the coaxial cables. Next is fiber optic cable. In the fiber optic cable, it is consist of hundreds of thin stranded of glass or plastic that light to transmit the signals. It may many big companies use fiber optic cables in a high traffic network. Next is wireless transmission media. Here is some points. Wireless transmission media, that is media send communication signals through the air. So here is some points, page number 42 in your book. First point is infrared, second is broadcast radio, third one is cellular radio, fourth is microwave, and fifth one is communication satellite. So we are discuss about this infrared is infrared, that is a light wave, lighting wave, means lighting is there, and that is a technology as household remote controls. So next is broadcast radio. Broadcast radio is a wireless transmission media that distribute radio channels through the air over the long distance, such as between cities, regions and countries, and also you can say that a short distance that is covered by the broadcast radio. Next thing is cellular radio. In the cellular radio, there is a wireless transmission media that is used for mobile communication. Next is microwave. Microwave provide a high speed wireless signals transmission. It involves sending signal from one microwave station to another. Both are connected. And last is communication satellite. Communication is a space station that receives the microwave signals and amplify the signals and broadcast the signals back over a wide area to any number of earth-based station. So our next topic, microwave communication satellites, and next topic is internet. You all are familiar with this topic, internet. It is a various term related to internet. In your book, here is a page number 143. So internet, what is? It is internet is also called the net. So here is information and resources to be shared among them by using from the internet. And the internet has a web server that supports a web page containing multimedia, and also there is a web browser such as Internet Explorer, web browser Firefox, Opera. There is some internet using information you can transform the web pages. So next topic is IP address and DNS. What is called the IP address? IP is Internet Protocol, and that is the address of domain name server. Domain name server is also IP address, that is a form of numerically, and the domain name is www.google.com, like that way. Clear, students? Okay. Our next topic included this, the topic of network, that is also existing from this same topic. First is web page. So what is a web page? That is signals documents on the web, and that is the collection of text, image, sound, and videos also. Next, website. Website is a collection of web page related to same topic, that is called the website. You all are familiar web page, website, because of that main topic, that is a small topics, and you all are familiar by in your second onwards class. These are the questions for web. What is a web page? What is a website? What is a web portals? So what is a web portal? Web portal is a design website where offers of variety of internet service from signals, convenience, location, like you can use a dynamic news portal, shopping cart, development, payment gateway, and a dating portal, matrimonial portal, and job portals. And here is also some websites. So use this also. Next thing is modem. A modem is a communication device that can convert digital signals to analog signals and analog signals to digital signals. So the data can travel along with the analog telephone lines that is connected with the modem. Next is URL. URL means Uniform Resource Locator. And a uniform resource locator, there is one address, that is a unique address. Unique address, like you should write the address for www.google.com, www.yahoo.com, www.yahoo.in, facebook.com, like etc. Next thing is link. A link is a kind of cross-reference to another web page. It is also called the hyperlink, that is connected from your DNS, domain name server, and URL, that is also connected with the URL, Uniform Resource Locator. So it is a link can appear as an icon, image, or text. Next is IPS. IPS is an internet service provider. It is a company that provides access to the internet for a monthly fees. But some are different. Services and benefit at a different cost. You can choose from many IPS and ISP in India. The main one of Tata Indicom and MTNL, BSNL, so like that, etc. You can use the DEN also, that is the Internet Service Provider. Next is hub. See the picture of hub. There is so many switches, like a central location where all the cables on the network meet. Here is, you should attach your mainly wires, main wires that is connected for a single network, and many types of network structures are now using hub as the primary method to connect the network. Next is switch. Switch is a device that provides a central point for the cable in a network. Central provide means that is receive data from many directions and then forward it to one or more designations. Gateway. Gateway is a network device that translates data from one type of network to another network. It allows two different types of network to exchange information. Once a gateway has received information and another one information into a form of destination network can understand. Bandwidth. Bandwidth is how much MB and GB you can use by the using of your bandwidth network areas. Okay, bandwidth is the amount of data can travel over a communication channel, how much that you can use with your device. Next thing is definition of protocol. That is the last point from your chapter, definitions of protocol. So here is some topics, here is some points also. First is HTTP, second FTP, third TCP IP, fourth one is POP3 and IMAP, and last one is SMTP. So here also in the page number 146 on your book, so you should write the full forms on your notebook also. So like that, like HTTP is a hypertext transfer protocol, FTP is a file transfer protocol, TCP IP is a transmission control protocol, and IP is a internet protocol. And next is POP is a post office protocol version, and last IMAP is internet message access protocol, and the last thing is SMTP, that is the simple mail transfer protocol. So you should once again revise your full chapter and these main topics also, that is existed on the definition of protocol. So first of all I want to clear one point also from the last portion, definition of protocol. Protocol is a set of rules that outlines characteristic how two devices communicate with each other. There are different protocols for different operations on the internet. So HTTP, FTP, TCP, IP, POP3 and IMAP, SMTP. These are the definitions of protocol. So definitions and also subparts of the protocol. So you should clear these points from page number 146. And I hope you all are understand this chapter. It's a very interesting and easy chapter related to your term and also communication network. These are the simple and very sober topics on this chapter. So I hope you all will understood. So here is page number 147. I want to discuss with you the exercise portion. Exercise. One is pick the correct answer. You should again see the video, see the topics that I discussed with you and clear the answer, because here is options, optional answer, that is MCQ, and it is very easy to clear the exact answer. So next is true false. True false also you should do your own self. And third one is filling the blanks. here is some confusion because 2 or 3 blanks is similar, so I want to clear the answers. So filling the blanks, answer number 1 is internet, answer number 2 is fiber optic, 3 is intranet, 4th is period, means dot. Then next, 5th is domain name, 6th one is web portal, 7th is dial-up, 8th is switch, 9th is packets, and last one is SMTP. So these are the answers of filling the blanks. So I want to clear these filling the blanks, so you should no doubt what is the main particular word that is used in these filling the blanks. So that's why I am clearing this point. Next is define the following. Define the following means, first of all, here is PAN, means I already discussed with you, so don't write very lengthy way. Define is just about only on within a 3 to 4 line. Clear, students? So all the defines you should complete according to video and according to your chapters. And next thing is answer in 1 or 2 sentences. It's also easy according to your chapters. So here is 1 to 3 lines, that is sufficient. And long answer type, that is included in your chapter. So 1 page and a half page is enough. So no need to write a very large thing, very large text, because that is, you should write the proper and the main things in your answers. Clear, student? I hope you all will understand what I am asking to you. So complete your notebook also. Write the question answer, defines, answer 1 or 2 sentences, and already I am discussed with you filling the blanks. So thanks and have a good day.